Jai Swaminarayan friends. In the last video lecture we start the chapter number 15 statistic. And first method for ungrouped data. Find mean deviation with respect to mean. We have already completed. Clear? Now we start the median for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, median. These two formula we have already studied in 10th standard. For ungrouped data. Clear? For ungrouped data, we find the median. So first this one. Increasing order of the observation. If we find the median, so first we arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. Is that clear? Okay. Here we write the formula. If n is odd, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Is it clear? If n is even, then m equal to, median equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Okay? Now, our new formula is mean deviation with respect to median. We have completed this one. Mean deviation with respect to mean. So, sigma modulus xi minus x bar upon n. Now we find mean deviation with respect to median. Its symbol delta m. Otherwise, you can write mean deviation in bracket m. Otherwise, this one also can use it. Clear? Sigma modulus xi minus m upon n. Okay? Now we calculate this three sum. Find the mean deviation. Find mean deviation with respect to median. Clear? Okay. First question xi. Okay? First we arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. We arrange the increasing order. So first we write the smallest observation. Which one smallest? First one 3 2 times 3 3. Is that clear? Okay, cut it. Then we write 4 5 7. 4 5 7. Is that clear? 3 3 4 5 7. Now 9 10. 9 10. Okay? 9 and 10. Then we write 12 18. 12 18. Then last two 19 and 21. Total how many observation here? Count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Clear? So we arrange the increasing order. Now we find median. Here n is the odd number. Total number of observation is 11. This is your odd number. So we apply this formula. M equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Put here n equal to 11. 2th observation. Okay. 11 plus 1 12 by 2. 6th observation. Which one 6th observation? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is your median. M equal to 9. Is that clear? Okay. This method is heading for ungrouped data. first we find median, then we find the median with respect to median. Okay. Now here this column, modulus xi minus m. Modulus xi minus m. Now subtract 9 for each observation. 9 minus 3, 6. Here modular. So 3 minus 9 or 9 minus 3. Answer always positive. Again 6. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 9. 10 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 18 minus 9. 19 minus 9. 21 minus 9. 12. Right? Now sum of this observation. Sigma modulus xi minus m. Here sigma modulus xi minus m. Okay, 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 17 plus 4 21 23 24 27 plus 9 36 plus 10 46 plus 12 58. Okay, now apply the formula. Sigma, mean deviation or delta m. Sigma modulus xi minus m upon m. Here answer is 58 divided by total number of observation is 11. Now 58 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55. 3 carry on. Right? 11 5s are 55. 3 carry on. 0 point place here 0. Then 30. 11 2s are 22. 8 reminder. Then again 0 80. 11 7s are 77. Dash dash dash. Here 11 is the prime number. Right? So by the 10th standard first chapter, here answer is dash dash dash. So we write approximate answer. So median mean deviation delta m equal to 5.27. Is that clear? Okay, done it. Now we discuss second number. Lowest observation is now here 36, 72. This one here 36. First observation 36. Then 42, 45. 42, 45. Okay. 36, 42, 45. Now 46 2 times. So we write here 46 2 times. Is that clear? Okay. Then 49, 51. 49, 51. Then 53, 60. 53, 60. And last observation is 72. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here n equal to 10. Even number. So median formula this one. M equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now place here n equal to 10. Here 10 by 2th observation. Here 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. 10 by 2 5th observation. 10 by 2 5. 5 plus 1. 6th observation divided by 2. Now which one is where? Fifth one, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So m equal to 46. Fifth observation is 46 and sixth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 46 plus 49 divided by 2. 9 plus 6, 15. 4 to 8 plus 1, 9. 95 by 2. So our median is 95 by 2. So 90, half of the 95. So 47.5. Is that clear? Our median is 47.5. Now subtract 47.5 in each of every observation. Okay. First 47 minus 36, 11.5. right? First we here point. So straight line observation, and sum of this observation is very easy. Then point of this here, point of this here, and point of this here. Okay. 47 minus 42, 5.5. 47 minus 42, 45, 2.5. 47 minus 45. 47 minus 46, 1.5. Here also 1.5. Now 49 minus 47, 2. And 2 subtract 0.5. So here again 1.5. Now 51 minus 47, 4. And subtract 0.5. So 3.5. Now 53 minus 47, 6. Right? And 0.5, 5.5. 60 minus 47, 13. 13 minus 0.5, 12.5. Okay. 72 minus 47, 15. 72. 72 minus 47, 12 minus 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 25. And 25 minus 0.5 is 24.5. Okay. Right. Now sum of this observation, it is called sigma modulus xi minus m. Point as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 5s are 50. 5 carry on. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2, 13. 14, 15, 16, 19, 24. 26 and 30. Now 3 carry on. 4, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Now delta m equal to sigma modulus xi minus m upon n. Right? Okay. Here 70 divided by 10 observation. Here total observation is 10. Now 0, 0 cancel. So delta m equal to 7. Is that clear? Okay. Now third sum. 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12 and 17. Right? First we write smallest observation. 10, 11, 11. 10, 11, 11. Okay. Then we write 12, 13, 13. 12, 13, 13. 12, 13, 13. Okay. Then 14. Then 16, 16. 2 times. And 17 also 2 times. 17, 17, and last observation is 80. Total how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Okay. So here n equal to 12. Even observation. So we write here m equal to second formula. N by 2th observation, n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Here 12 by 2 plus 12 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. 12 by 2, 6th observation. Here 6 plus 1, 7th observation divided by 2. Now which one? 6 1? First, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6. Right? So 6 and 7 this one. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 13 plus 14 divided by 2. It is called 27 by 2. And half of the 27, 13.5. This is our median. Okay. Now we find sigma. First of all, modulus xi minus m. Now 13.5 subtracted each of every observation. 13 minus 10, 3.5. 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11, 2.5. Again 2.5. 13 minus 12, 1.5. 13 minus 13, 0.5. Here also 0.5. Here also 0.5. 16 minus 13, 3. 3 minus 0.5. So 2.5. Here 2.5. Here 3.5. Here 3.5. And here 4.5. Is it clear? Now sum of this observation, sigma modulus xi minus m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 5s are 60. 6 carry on. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Plus 2, 13, 14, 16, 18, 21, 24 and 28. Okay. Now apply the mean deviation formula. Delta m sigma modulus xi minus m upon n. So 28 divided by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. So now divide 7 by 3. Again denominator 3 is the prime number. So approximate answer 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 0 0. 3 3s are 9. Again continue. So our answer delta m equal to 2.33. Okay. Clear? Done it?